Aversa, owner and voice coach of South Jersey Voice Lessons located in Glendora, New Jersey. Today, I wanted to give you a quick tip and a couple of exercises on how to sing without sounding airy. Unfortunately today, there are a lot of singers out there who sing in a very unsupported and airy tone. And what I mean by that is they sound like this. So I put together a couple of exercises that will help prevent that from happening to you. The first thing I want to talk about is the benefits of singing on the consonants G and K. G and K are known as velar consonants because we use our velum, also known as our soft palate, to create the sound. G and K naturally hug the vocal cords together, helping us to prevent any unnecessary air to escape. The first exercise I'd like to do is using the velum consonant K. We will be singing the word key, K-E-Y, on a triad. I want you to focus more on your chest voice into your mix. Key, key. Great job. The next one I'd like to do is on G. And we'll be singing the word goo on a 5-tone scale, twice through. I'd like you to use your mixed voice into your head voice for this one. Goo. Job. Just remember, keep practicing. When in doubt, throw in a velum consonant, and let me know if you need any help. You can contact me via email or through my website. Have a great day.